End inequalities, end AIDS, end pandemic pathapian ponsi, kidamtang matijong ni phai isiarni, Dipu Medical College and Hospital along, Microbiology Department atung patirpi ponsi, World AIDS sarani talondun. Bangso Mailong, Dipu Medical College and Hospital Principal cum Chief Superintendent, Sumitra Hakjerpen, Maija ponsi, Superintendent Staff, DMCH Maipu, Lapen Kachetong Aluhia tumpen, Milur ke Kalsai Dingpon. Bangso Mailong, Aluhiaman Pen District Coordinator PMDT, Niju Bhoyan, Lab Technician, Bikash Avinas Boro Pendanglok, Penangan ke Thekidingatum Chitongdu. Dipu Medical College and Hospital Principal cum Superintendent, Sumitra Hakjerpen, Kaningje Ponatenke, Bangso Mailong Kachetong ke do Anaratum Sitame, Red Ribbon Chekok Kripensi, World AIDS Arani, Katalon Padupondo. Dipu Karbianglong Lapen Pirthia Dangalong AIDS Akesotum along nilitum Arjab Dunsi, Aning Pathedun Popuang Teglo. Rada tumta AIDS Akeso Kelong Atuma Pan Lang Selet Ledet Pen, Ninka Patheduna Saisi Clemenji.
Also has observed this day by wearing a red ribbon like this to signify our solidarity with all the AIDS affected people of Dipu and of Assam and of the whole world also, to tell them, to send them the message that we are standing with you, we support you, and that there is no stigma, no discrimination against the AIDS people. So on this day, this is what we have to send the message, that there should be no stigma attached. We all know regarding AIDS and how it spreads, but we are not so aware about it. So today is the day when we have to think a little bit about AIDS and also do our duty as a citizen, as a healthcare giver, that we have to give them support and we will not treat them as an untouchable in society. To tell them that now the death rate of AIDS has come down quite significantly and that AIDS is treatable. So, on this World AIDS Day, I wish all the people to give the support, to give the solidarity.
AIDS Akeso Kelong Atumaphan Kapachini Kang Tungabangke, Chepatu Joy Jera, Hong Nang Barsi, Se Kachelang Jilapen, Kachepa Media Panle Bor Ino. Nilitung kai keta bangso keso kelong atumaphan kerapja phan chisik ding lupusi ningje. News report long sudaring ti Karbianglong live.